Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. So I got a request to show how to do barrel twists or barrel rolls. So I'm starting out with the section that I want to twist. So that's up to you depending on how big you want these barrels to be. I wanted them to be like small to medium, I would say. So I did a section or a row of 2, and the most I did was a row of 3. You can do these twists, all around your head, but I decided to just do it in the front section of my head. So to do the barrel twist, what you're going to do is start out with 2 locks in the front. You're going to twist them in the direction of your retwist. Cross them over each other and hold them. Once you do that, you're going to pick up a lock underneath and twist it and bring it over. Then you're going to pick up a lock from the opposite side, twist it and bring it under. Make sure you're twisting in the direction of your retwist so everything stays cohesive and neat. Basically, it's the process of holding the locks that you already gathered in your hand and then picking up a lock from the opposite side, twisting it and bringing it either over or under to create the barrel twist. So just continue that same sequence. Twist the lock from the opposite side, bring it either over or under, and collect it within your hands with the locks you previously already picked up. And this is what creates your barrel twist. So once I was done with the barrel twist, I just secured it with a rubber band to keep it in place. And now I'm just going to start working on my bun. So I just basically twisted my locks together, formed them into a bun shape. Now, buns are usually difficult for me because I have layers and usually the shorter pieces always stick out. So I'm going to show you a hack that I use to help with this issue. So I'm just going to secure what I can in place with a rubber band. And then I'm going to use a hairnet. So you just use a hairnet and wrap it around your bun. That way any of the locks that were not in the bun will now form together within the hairnet. That way I don't have to continuously bobby pin basically the shorter pieces. This is just an easier way to get everything to lay flat and to stay within the bun. And then I just secure it with a hairpin. Now for the back, you could just leave it straight, but I did decide to spray it with some rose water and do a braid out. So I just sprayed it with rose water and I started braiding small sections of my locks. So this is the next day. So now I'm just taking the rubber bands out and unraveling my braid. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.